Hello, welcome to VidhuLaw Neethi. Today in Code of Civil Procedure, we are going to learn degree, essential of degree and types of degree. Now let us learn in depth next slides. Now let us see what are we are going to learn in the upcoming slides. The meaning of degree, essential of degree and types of degree. Now let us learn in detail in the upcoming slides. Now let us learn the meaning of the degree. As per section 2 of CPC as a formal expression of an adjudication by the civil court. Here adjudication means a judgment which conclusively determines the rights of the parties in relation to all or any of the matter in controversy in a suit. Simply put, a degree in an official declaration of the court's decision regarding the rights and obligation of the parties involved in a lawsuit. A degree is issued after the judgment has been delivered and it can be neither preliminary or final. A degree must be formally drawn up and must align with the judgment passed by the court. Now let us learn the essential of the degree. In the essential of the degree, they are adjudication, suit, determination of the rights, conclusive determination, formal expression. Now let us learn one by one in detail. Adjudication. There must be a judicial determination of the matter in dispute. Suit. The decree must be arise from the civil suit. It cannot be issued in non-continuous proceedings. Determination of rights. A decree must settle the substantive rights of the parties, not merely procedural rights. Conclusive determination. The decision must be final and not subject to further adjudication, although it may be subject to appeal. Formal expression. The court's decision must be expressed formally in writing and signed by the judge. Now let us learn the types of degree. There are three types of degrees. One is preliminary degree, final degree, partly preliminary and final degree. Now let us learn one by one in detail. First one is preliminary degree. This is issued when the court decides the rights of the parties but the requires further proceedings to fully resolve the matters. For example, in a partition suit, a preliminary degree may be passed to define the shares of the parties. Next one is final degree. This degree fully and finally disposes of the matter in controversy between the parties. Once a final degree is passed, there is nothing left to be decided in the suit. Partly preliminary and partly final degree. In some cases, a degree may be both preliminary and final. For example, in a suit for possession of property and men's profit, the degree may be final regarding possession but preliminary regarding the determination of men's profit. Men's profit means when a person unlawfully or a wrongful possession taken the property is known as men's profit. Next one, let us learn the significance of the degree. A degree has a legally binding force and can be executed through legal means if the party against whom it is passed fails to compel. A degree may be appealed and an appellate court may confirm, modify, or overturn the degree. The execution of the degree involves taking steps to enforce the rights determined by the court. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.